Here is an easy-to-follow recipe for a classic, masaladar, spicy, flavorful, dry-style Paneer Bhurji. Easy masaladar Paneer Bhurji recipe. This recipe is simple and comes together in about 20 minutes. Ingredients. Category, item, quantity. Main, paneer, 200 grams, about 1.5 cups, crumbled. Aromatics, oil or ghee, cumin seeds, chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, and green chili. Vegetables, 1 medium tomato, finely chopped. Spices, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. Garnish, crushed kasuri methi and chopped fresh coriander. Prep the paneer. Crumble into small pieces using your hands. Don't grate it for best texture. Heat the oil or ghee over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter for about 10 to 15 seconds. Add the finely chopped onion and a pinch of salt. Sauté until translucent or lightly golden. Add ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Sauté about 1 minute until the raw smell disappears. Add chopped tomatoes and a bit more salt. Cook until they soften and become slightly mushy. Reduce the heat and add turmeric, red chili, coriander powder, and garam masala. Sauté 30 seconds until fragrant. Don't burn them. Add the crumbled paneer and mix gently so the masala coats it evenly. Do not mash. Cook for only 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in crushed kasuri methi and most of the chopped coriander. Check and adjust salt. Turn off the heat and garnish with the remaining fresh coriander. Serve hot with roti, paratha, or toasted bread. Enjoy! Subtitles are included. Recipe card and media links are in the description.